Welcome to the world of business process automation with Fluency Blueprints. My name's Harleen, and I'm going to walk you through how Blueprints can help you build, launch, and even manage your advertising at scale. So what exactly are Blueprints? Blueprints are Fluency's dynamic advertising framework. They use data integration to automate the execution and management of your advertising at scale. By automating a lot of the repetitive tasks that you're doing today, allowing you to customize, generate, and even modify hundreds and thousands of ads and campaigns at scale across multiple channels, essentially eliminating that swivel chair that many strategists sit on today. So how exactly do Blueprints make that happen? Well, it all begins with importing your data directly into Fluency. And there's a variety of ways that we can integrate directly with your current data infrastructure. Whether you're using Google Drive, Dropbox, SFTPs, S3 buckets, or even a CRM, we can actually integrate directly using APIs or import and export your data in many different file formats like CSV, JSON, or hook directly into your existing ad accounts to ingest in any of your existing accounts and their campaigns. Let's take a look at a Google Sheet that a large restaurant chain is using today to provide us with their location-specific account details for each location, like addresses, their budget, their geos. They're even using this Google Sheet to provide us with their ad copy for their search, social, display, and YouTube campaign. Like many other advertisers, they're using this sheet to house their data. Blueprints allow you to automate all of this by turning these data types into tags, which are referenced inside of your blueprint, allowing us to dynamically update your ads in real time as the data changes. Think about each one of these column headers as a tag or a container for your data. Now, by referencing these tags in Blueprints, we're able to dynamically pull in account-specific information, allowing us to create customized campaigns using our blueprints. Let's take a look at what Digital Diner's blueprint looks like. Here, we've gone ahead and created the structure for their display, search, social, and their YouTube campaign. By creating the structure for their campaign and referencing the tags, it eliminates the need to have to create campaigns and even accounts from scratch. So, if Digital Diner were to add in a new location, instead of a strategist having to log in to each platform, create an account, and then create its campaigns from scratch, they can actually use Blueprints to automate the entire launch process just by updating the data source. Once they've gone ahead and updated the data source, we're able to dynamically pull in the new account's specific details and launch new campaigns using the blueprint. Let's take a look at what that actually looks like. Once you've gone ahead and created your blueprint, it's as simple as selecting your account, the blueprint you'd like to use to launch your campaigns, and then enabling your feature flags. Think about your feature flags kind of like on-off switches, allowing you to enable or disable certain aspects of your advertising strategy. In this instance, we're using feature flags to enable specific campaigns in reference to specific channels. Once we've gone ahead and enabled our feature flags, it's as simple as clicking review. Once I click review, you'll see that I'm able to generate a preview of what the ads will look like prior to being pushed out to the partner. Within a few clicks, I was able to generate 200 campaigns, over 400 different ad groups, and over 1,000 ads along with 1,800 geo-modified keywords. Now, normally, this would take a lot of manual effort. Instead, within a few clicks, I was able to generate all of these campaigns and simply QA what each one will look like prior to being pushed out to the partner. Here, I'm able to QA everything from basic settings to geo-targets, even a preview of what the ad set and the ad itself will look like, allowing me to view the different variations that are being created by referencing the key data points within our data sources. Here you can see I've gone ahead and created multiple ad groups along with location-specific details pulled in for each location. We're using this blueprint to launch campaigns across all 50 locations for Digital Diner across multiple states. Once everything looks good, it can be as simple as clicking launch to push these campaigns out live to our partners. Or if you're preparing for a large future launch, you can even launch these in a pause state and enable them at a future date. Blueprints really revolutionize the way you launch, customize, and optimize your advertising, helping you run locally targeted campaigns across channels in a fraction of the time. Want to see how blueprints work in action for you and your strategy? Reach out to us today for a personalized demo.